Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the map type on the Detecht application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. After that you should tap on the profile button down below. Click on the third button in the middle and tap on plan a route. After that you should tap on the settings button in the right side at the top, and here you can see the map type section at the top. You have 4 options: default map, light map, dark or satellite. As you can see, if you go back to the map you can check out how it looks like, so select the relevant one that you prefer and just simply tap on it and it will be updated automatically, as you can see. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.